I'm Daphne Lowe Kelley, and I'm on Gadigal land of the Eora Nation, and I wish to pay my respects to their elders, past, present, and emerging. As someone who's been involved in many community organisations over many years, I would like to congratulate the producers of the Sounds of Christmas Asia Pacific, Kevin Bathman and Benjamin O. This multicultural, multilingual project reaches out to not only a number of Asian Pacific communities, but also to the LGBTIQ community, recent arrivals, and refugees. Christmas in Australia is more than just a religious event, as it should be a joyful time for family and friends to be together and to celebrate goodwill and peace. Such a wonderful idea for the Sounds of Christmas to be sung in 8 different Asian Pacific languages. My thanks to the singers and musicians, and I can assure you that I enjoyed listening to it. May I wish one and all a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a new year filled with promise and